What awaits us in the maelstrom? What is the Hell's Iris?
Talos shook his head at the slave's question.
You will see with your own eyes if the ship manages to hold together long enough for us to reach the docks there.
So it's a dock?
It's Octavia. I am a warrior, not a scribe or literist. I lack the words to do it justice. Yes, Hell's Iris is a dock.
You call yourself a warrior, like it's a curse.
I am a warrior.
What did you want to do with your life? I told you the truth. I'd always dreamed of guiding such a warship, and for better or worse, fate gave me what I wished for. But what about you? Do you mind if I ask?
Talos laughed, that same whispering chuckle, and tapped the defiled Aquila emblazoned across his chest.
I wanted to be a hero. And look how that turned out.